Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Acrobat for freelance document management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Navigate to the Preferences menu. Find the Edit option in the top menu. Select Preferences from the drop-down. In the Preferences window, look for Documents on the left sidebar. Check the option for Open Documents as new tabs in the same window. This makes it easier to manage multiple documents. Next, click on File Locations in the sidebar. Set the default file locations for easy access to frequently used folders. Now, switch to the Signatures section. Here, you can configure your digital signature settings. Select the option to create a new digital ID if you haven't done so. Follow the prompts to set up your digital signature. Once that's done, move to the commenting section. Enable Always Use Login information for comments for consistency. Next, go to the Security section. Set the security settings according to the type of documents you handle most. If you deal with sensitive information, consider using password protection. Now, head to the Accessibility section. Enable Always Use the default PDF reading order for easier navigation. Next, check the Touch Mode box if you use a touchscreen device. This will optimize your document navigation. To manage existing documents more efficiently, navigate to Forms. Enable the option to automatically detect form fields for quicker setup. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Your Adobe Acrobat is now configured for efficient freelance document management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.